What's up, Guppy Suppers? It's Guppy Sub Vlogs. Today, I am going to go in the snow, and I will be going to a forest just to make content, because I am very bored. So yeah, before we get started on the video, I just want to know that you can get this Guppy Sub Retros and some Guppy Sub t-shirts right now at guppysubmerch.com. I'll repeat that again, guppysubmerch.com. Okay, if you also do not know that, I'll put in the link in the description or go to my about and you can find it from there. So yeah, make sure you get one, because this is very cool. So, let's get into the video. I'm not going to be wasting time anymore from just dressing up to be warm, so here's just all the clips with the voiceovering of me and some other stuff. So, I got out of my house with my stuff, and yeah, it's just me walking. I don't know why, but I'm not going to do the whole thing. My main purpose of this video was just to go through the highway, and also if, just basically touch the fence or just go through the highway if I see, or if I can climb over fences. Nope, there's a rock. Anyway, here. Oh, I hope I don't hit it. Okay. This is a rope. So, to get to this rope here. If you see, there is a huge pond I didn't even realize, so I was way too cautious about where to step because I don't want any of me to get wet. That's what she said. Damn, that was... I don't know how deep this is. Oh, it's not that deep. My boot's gonna be outside no matter what. Step on this. This whole thing ain't that deep, right? Swear to God, I hope not. Alright, part 2. Oh, I see pressure. Oh, alright. God. Hi. Wait, is this whole thing ice? Is this whole thing a pond? Oh, crap. Oh no. This is a huge problem while in this video. So, you'll see what I'm talking about. Oh, maybe, or really until snow or water breaks. That's what she said. Ignore me. Okay, so I was just wandering. I was just going to, I was just mainly walking. And, yeah, I was walking and walking until I walked. Shit. I need a stick. Whew, that's a big one. That is a big one. Oh, yes. Okay. Alright. That stick became very useful for me as I used it for some really good helping stuff that you will see in this video. I swear to God, if this breaks, I'm pretty done. I'm going to bring some. Oh. Oh. I need to touch that fence. If I don't touch that fence, then my mission ain't complete. That's my mission. My mission. I got this Please put me down. Oh, this is way helpful. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh. Oh wait a minute. Oh wait a minute. Can I go through this? A tree fell here. My parents watching this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry in advance. But I need a hard flick right now. I get on the highway at least. Maybe if I just low cut there. Look at there. Oh! I'm in the highway! I'm in the highway! I'm in the highway! I'm definitely gonna get grounded after that. I'm in the highway. Damn, wait. I'm in the highway. I'm actually... Here's a flick of me in the highway. I look pretty decent. Probably gonna make this as my thumbnail or one of my profile pics. I don't think I'm gonna survive in here. I got the raw... I'm gonna get frostbite. I'm definitely gonna get frostbite. Let's go back. Follow the footsteps. Follow the footsteps. Hey. Come on, chill. I don't know who made this field lines, but oh shit, wait. Is there a bear here? Fuck. Oh shit. I see bear footsteps. And they got bigger. If there's a grizzly bear. Did I see Zach again? I swear to God, I don't want Zach living on my forest in the snow. I don't want to get pneumia. Imagine if I just come back home and then I found out, oh, finally, I got disease with pneumia. That should be fun. Here's when disaster came. Oh shit. Ow. Oh shit. My shit's stuck. I was stuck and I was just like so much spiky stuff just hitting me, which hurts a lot. Alright, I think I got it. Alright, let me just... oh shit. Oh shit, my jacket. Oh, okay. This ain't going bad. This ain't going well. Oh, I did it. Shit. Oh, ow, shit. I probably got like so much spikes on me. And it hurts. It hurts a lot. And I don't even know what to do. I was just in a major impasse on how I get out of here. And it hurts while doing that. I tried to put the stick down and just step on it, but I keep trying, it doesn't happen until very, very soon. This. Fine.
Was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Oh my. Well, this stick touched my no spot. I don't like it. Oh no, I'm in a dead end. I'm in a dead end. I stepped in one of them. Shit gonna break. Here goes nothing. Oh no. Oh crap. How deep is it? Oh, that is very deep. No. Okay. Is there an alternative way? I cannot. No. I hear cracks. Oh no. I'm actually so doomed. Oh no. Something's gonna happen right now. Oh no. Oh, this shit over the weight limit. Oh, this shit over the weight limit. Oh, this shit over the weight limit. Oh no. Please tell me one of the rocks. I need to get out of this shit. Please tell me one of the rocks is very stable. This is a rock. Please tell me this is another rock. No, this is not a rock. This is a bush. It's a bag. Oh shit. It's a bag. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I have to jump on one of these. Shit. Okay. No. These are actually starting to break now. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. This is starting to break. I'm in a deep trouble. I'm in deep trouble. Kill this. Alright. This is gonna be very epic. But I'm gonna jump here and I'm gonna quickly jump there. Let's see. It's getting dark. Ready? Set. Oh, go. Oh. Alright, I got it. I finally made it. I'm gonna edit right there because I don't have other stuff to say. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and please get my merch out right now. Bye.